Hello, and welcome to the StyleShare website tutorial. In this guide, we will go through the website step by step to help you get started. Our website is continuously improving, so for the best experience, please browse from your computer rather than your phone. Let's get started. Go to StyleShare Netlify app. First, click on Register to create your account. Type in your full name, create a unique user ID, input your email address, and create a password. Remember your password and login information, as you will need it each time you access the website. Your account has been successfully created. Now, click on Login and enter your credentials to log into your account. Next, go to your profile and upload your profile photo. To see any changes made, refresh the whole page. When you scroll down a little more, you will see a field to add your availability. If you are participating in a group, you will need to provide your availability to let your team members know when and where you will be available to exchange any garment. You can add multiple availabilities, and if needed, you can even delete any. Now, let's join a group. You will be provided with group codes. To join your group, click on your profile icon, then from the drop-down menu, click on Group. Here, you will see a field to type or paste your group code. Fill in the correct group code and join. To ensure any changes are applied, refresh the page once. You will then be able to see the group and other group members. You can even chat with your group members from the chat option. Let's add a garment to your account. To add a new garment, click on the left menu button. From the drop-down menu, click on Add Garment. The process is very easy. Just follow the steps and fill in the options with the right information, brand name, date, choose the correct garment type, and write a brief description to identify your garment. And then add a front and a back photo of your garment. After that, just follow all the steps. Fill in the material, choose from the drop-down menu, and if the material is not listed, choose Others and write the material. Type in the correct percentage. The same goes for the lining and padding if your garment has any. Then fill in the care instructions. For this information, refer to the care label attached to your garment. Now, let's add measurements to the garments. As before, from the menu option, click on Add Measurements. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose your garment. Be very careful not to select the wrong garment if you have more than one. According to your garment type, you will get fields to fill in the measurements. If you are not sure how to measure the garment, click on the eye symbol, and you will get a guide with a photo demonstrating how to take that particular measurement correctly. You can also set your units of measurement either to cm or inches. Then, select what kind of sizing standards are being followed on the garment label, and select the size. Finally, choose the fit of the garment and save. Once you go to your profile, make sure you refresh the page to see the changes being made. Then, scroll down to the garment section to see your garment. Select the garment you want to see the details for from the drop-down menu. If you have more than one garment, you will then be able to see basic information, the owner of the garment, measurements, composition, and care instructions for the garment. Now, suppose you have worn the garment. You need to input the wear, feel, care, and tear information for the garments. The wear and feel sections are connected, meaning when you wear a garment, you must input data for both the wear and feel sections. However, Care and tear can be recorded whenever you have taken care of the garment or noticed any kind of tear in the garment. Click on the left menu, then select Wear, Feel, Care, Tear. Click on Wear. Do not forget to select the correct garment before entering any information if you have more than one garment. Type in the date, hours you wore that garment, and include photos of the garment being worn, then save. For the Feel section, it's the same. Select the correct garment, date, and just follow along. If you need to write any responses, you will find writing fields as well. For the Care section, the initial steps are the same. Then just follow along with the steps you took to take care of the garments. If you find any kind of tearing of the garment, go to the Tear section, specify the changes. You can even write it down if you can't find the tear and click on Save. If you feel the change in the garment is repairable, such as a lost button that can be reattached, but you need help with that, you can also make a repair request. Just click on Repair Request, specify any details, and save. By saving, our help center will get your repair request, and they will contact you. Remember, all your data and information will be saved linked to your garment. You can go to your profile and select the specific garment to see all the wear, feel, care, and tear information. You can even choose to delete or edit any entry. Now, let's explore the garment sharing part. If you are participating in a group, click on the main menu and select Exchange Garment. You can see your group members and the garments they have at the moment. You can scroll sideways to see all their garments. You will also find their availability to make any exchange requests. Choose your garment and click on Send Exchange Request. Fill in the date, time, and location, and submit. When you scroll down, you will be able to see the request has been made to your group member. Once they accept it, you will see the Confirm option. You have to confirm the garment received. Once you get the garment in your hand, in the same way, you can also see any requests that have been made to take your garment. You can either accept the request or deny it. Once you have exchanged the garment, you can go back to your profile and see the new garment in your list. If you scroll further down, you will be able to see the garments you have lent to your group members with their names. You can also go to the chat and let them know about your request, or maybe have a discussion for further contact. Remember to refresh each time to see any changes being made. The process is quite easy and simple. After a couple of uses, you will get used to the website. If you find any difficulty, have any questions, or need help, please go to the Help and Support option and contact our support line. They will try their best to solve your issues as soon as possible. Happy sharing!